Good. Hello, everybody. Today I'll be. This is my next episode of my YouTube video. I'll be creating a grape protein smoothie with orange juice. So the first step, we'll be about throwing in the orange juice, like so. Need about 1 cup. 1/2 cups. Large cups. And next, you add the next solid ingredients, which is the grapes. Here I have about 120 grams of grapes. So you add them here like this. And next you add the protein, probiotics. So you add it like this. This is about 3 tablespoons. So like this. Then you add the equivalent of 3 tablespoons of this chia seeds, which are very good protein based. But it all kind of settle like this. Then you add the ice like this. Here's the ice, and that's about 15 ice cubes. Here, I'll add it like this. Next, after ice cubes, you'll need 1 date. And this is the date I'm adding here. Then you close this like this. And inside the blender. It'll take about 2 minutes to blend. Sure, it'll take about 2 minutes. to the little liquids. You use this tamper here. Okay, the temp is open. It's a temp on the ingredients to put closer to the blades. You always turn off the blender in this case. Zero damage it. And today I added yogurt, which is an excellent source of protein and probiotics. And I added one date, which was quite. It's protein and it sweetens the ingredients. And I added grapes. I added larger grapes, local grapes, and those are 120 grams. And I added ice, and I added the oranges as you see. And that sweetens it and makes it a little tangy. And if you want to make it a little bit more silky or creamy, you can use like 1 large banana if you like, and that's it. Usually, be careful that if you, as I said, if your blender stops, you use a tamper. That's a tamper. That's called a tamper. So that's a tamper. So that's it. If you have any questions or any inquiries, just comment and I hope you like my video, and well, thank you. And subscribe please. Thank you.